In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Monday.com API. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your personal API token inside Monday.com, how to safely regenerate it, and how to copy it so you can authenticate your requests in your own tools or applications. Start by opening your Monday.com account and landing on your workspace home. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner and click your profile icon. This menu holds your personal settings and the controls that affect your account across the workspace, so it's the right place to begin. From that menu, go into Administration. This area manages workspace-wide settings, integrations, and security options. If you don't see Administration, you may not have the proper permissions. In that case, reach out to a workspace admin and ask for access or for them to retrieve the token on your behalf, depending on your organization's policy. Inside Administration, find the section labeled Connections. Monday.com groups integration options, developer tools, and the tokens used to connect external services here, which keeps everything related to APIs and integrations in one place. Within Connections, select Personal API Token. Your personal token is what authenticates you when you make calls to the Monday.com API. You can think of it like a password for your scripts and integrations. It identifies you and carries the same level of access that your account has. Because of that, handle it carefully and treat it as confidential. On this page, you'll see where your token is displayed. If you're creating one for the first time, or if you need to rotate it for security, you'll have the option to regenerate. Regenerating immediately creates a new token and invalidates the old one. Only do this when you're ready to update any apps, scripts, or services that rely on your current token, because they will stop working until you replace the value. After you regenerate, or if you already have an active token, click Copy. This places the token on your clipboard so you can paste it into your development environment, an API client like Postman, or your application's configuration. Treat this token as secret. Don't share it in screenshots, don't commit it to source control, and avoid pasting it into public forums. A reliable practice is to store it in a secure password manager or as an environment variable so it never appears directly in your code. With your token in hand, you're ready to authenticate API requests by including it in the authorization header when you build calls to Monday.com. If you suspect the token has been exposed or you want to rotate credentials routinely, return to the same personal API token page, regenerate, and update your systems with the new value. That's it. You've navigated to your account settings, found the connections area, accessed your personal API token, regenerated it safely, and copied it for use in your integrations.